Hello everybody, another episode of the Robot Lawnmower. Here's a carrot. Good news, we got that little screw out the end of the chuck thing, drill chuck thing. Anyway, even better news. Guess who's here? He's gonna fix this right up. So, the problem that we face now is that we've got this nut, like a nut, yeah. All right, so what one tends to do when Richie fixes something is make sure he's happy. You happy, Rich? Great. Breakfast time! And it's got two little flat ends on it, so I found an old bicycle spanner and we're going to have to chop this up, make it open-ended, then we can get that in there, and hopefully with a little tap we'll then be able to get this chuck off of here, which means then we'll have a motor and gearbox assembly that with a little bit of luck will drive our blading system, which we still haven't got yet. But anyway, welcome to another episode of the Robot Lawnmower with Richie and me. Awesome! So here we are in wonderful Poland in the square. Fantastic place. Had a lovely meal and a bit of fun with some friends. Robot Lawnmower. Safety gear on. Oh my god. Oh well. Okay, so yeah, angle grinder and spanner and yeah, fix it, Rich. Let's try it. Oh, there she be. Never know, I might actually do the job. Guess we'll have to have a look and see when it's cooled down in a minute. It's a bit hot to touch at the moment. So, good news, we got the screw out the middle of the chuck. We've now fashioned a spanner, Spaniard, which if you get in here a little bit, actually now fits inside here. And yeah, my manual dexterity has gone out the window. What's going on? There we go. And now latches quite nicely onto the two flat bits of that nut. But unfortunately, as hard as we try and hit it, and I believe we're heading in the right direction when we tap it this way, it doesn't seem to want to, still won't unscrew. So I guess back to the drawing board. Hammer, chuck, spanner, whatever. Okay, so what we've decided to do is cut off the torque regulator. For fun. Close. Break anything else. A bit more chopping. I think we might be able to grab that. See? Oh. Pliers and more grip system. So here's the deal. Got sick and tired of trying to unscrew this chuck from the drill. I've taken the safety guard off the angle grinder, and we're just going to go ahead and see if we can do this with an angle grinder. A little bit nervous that the metal might get a bit hot and we might end up with a molten gearbox. But hey, it is what it is. About sick of trying to do this now. So here goes. Gonna need my sunglasses for this. Okay, so rolling. Okay, we were just took the guards off the angle grinder and started doing a little bit of grinding work in order to take the chuck off, and all of a sudden the chuck started moving, and here it is, the unveiling. Boing! The chuck has now been removed, and we've kept most of the structural integrity of that. Can you see that? It's got a little divot taken out of it, but yeah, awesome. Good news. See the thing do its stuff. You'll probably need to get much closer to the motor.
I don't know, I wanted to get you in it.
Don't worry, get right on the motor. Yay! So obviously we want it on a high speed setting. Not the high speed setting, let's go the other way. That's it, I believe. No, it was the, oh, that's it, there we go. So, yeah, there we go. So that's ultimately, it's going to have a plate on it with some razor blades on it. Things are going to get really silly dangerous. I've already had a wee accident here, completely forgotten since I'd taken an angle grinder to this that it was going to have burrs on it, and tried to move it by hand and cut my thumb. Not serious, but you know, if you're scared of blood, sorry. Yeah, anyway, what else can I say? Safety is number 2 priority. I'm back. Okay, so the plan is to take this, which is the gearbox and motor assembly from a power drill, a 12 volt nickel cadmium old school power drill. Whack that in there, so we're going to have to make a bigger hole. It's going to be quite a lot bigger, but and then stick a plate with razor blades on it, and yeah, hopefully that'll do the trick. Cheers. Alright, so Richie brought round a Leatherman Wave, and oh no, sorry, this one's a Leatherman Surge. Comes with a pair of pliers, screwdriver attachments, can openers, pokey things galore, pair of scissors, serrated stuff, even a file. And what's great about this file is actually you can remove the file from the Leatherman Wave and use it to sharpen your own knife blade. Yeah, really cool piece of kit. So I just thought we'd bring that one up. Lovely plant, lovely plant. Wonderful Poland, and apparently lots of people like to cycle away doing, not cycle, what am I talking about? Rollerblading, plastic robot lawnmower, yay! Crossroads at the midnight hour. When I look you in the eyes, up close and personal. You may not like what you see, but you won't shame me